Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to disable or turn off sign in automatically in Google Chrome. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want turn off or disable automatically sign in Chrome, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Google Chrome, then click on three dot top right side corner, then click on passwords and autofill, then click on Google Password Manager. In this you select settings. Now you can see here sign in automatically. Google Password Manager, remember how you sign in automatically, you in when possible. When off, you will be asked for confirmation every time. If this option enable, you should disable this option. That's it guys. So in this way you turn off or disable sign in automatically in Chrome. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.